videos.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to the charming neighborhood of Deer Park, nestled in the heart of Red Deer, Alberta. This community is known for its peaceful atmosphere and friendly residents, making it a wonderful place to call home. Deer Park is characterized by its beautiful parks and green spaces, providing ample opportunities for outdoor activities and relaxation. The neighborhood is conveniently located near essential amenities, including schools, shopping centers, and healthcare facilities, ensuring that residents have everything they need within easy reach. With its tree-lined streets and well-maintained homes, Deer Park offers a welcoming environment that captures the essence of small town living with the convenience of city life. Red Deer is a growing city in central Alberta, located between Calgary and Edmonton. The city started as a stopping place for travelers and fur traders in the 1800s, thanks to its location by the Red Deer River. The river's name comes from early settlers who called the local elk Red Deer. Today, Red Deer is a busy city known for its parks, trails, and outdoor spaces. It's surrounded by farmland and rolling hills, with the beautiful Rocky Mountains not far to the west. The city has a strong history in farming, oil, and trade, and it remains a welcoming place where people enjoy a mix of nature and community life. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Red Deer, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.